With Assistants in Sketch, we've made it quick and easy to spot issues in your work, from document organisation to design system consistency. Let's dive in and see how they work. Our designer Sam has been working on this flow, and he's asked me for some feedback. Design crits like this are a great way to explore different solutions to problems and try out new ideas. But they often get sidetracked by small things like misnamed layers, groups that really ought to be symbols, and whether or not a shade of blue is on brand. That's where Assistants can help. If we take a look at the toolbar, we can see there's a notification next to the Assistants item. Clicking on that opens the results window, and we can see we're missing the assistants that Sam has added to the document. When you add an assistant to a document, it stays with it. And if you send that document to someone who doesn't have that assistant installed, they'll be prompted to add it. You can add as many assistants as you like to a document, and they can all serve different purposes. In this case, we have one that covers off document naming conventions, one that suggests whether similar layers could become a component, and one that keeps our documents tidy. Our assistants have flagged a few different issues based on the rules they follow, so let's go through them. Each issue is split into two sections: a heading that describes the rule, and an entry that tells us what layer or part of a document might be a problem. You can hover over both the heading and any entries to see more information. You can also click on the question mark that appears next to the heading to open a browser window with that assistant's documentation. This rule is pretty straightforward. We don't want any unused styles in this document, and the orange style is unused, so let's find it and delete it. If we hover over the item and click the arrow, we'll be taken right to it, which is handy. And if we delete the style, the results window updates to remove that issue from our list. It doesn't always make sense to take action on an issue, so let's right-click on this one and ignore it. You'll see there's options to ignore a rule for the entire document or just specific layers. When we do that, the issue disappears from the window and our badge number gets an update. Ignoring an issue doesn't get rid of it altogether though, it just hides it. We can see ignored issues by clicking on the cog icon and choosing Show Ignored Items. If we want that issue to be counted again, we can right-click on it and choose to stop ignoring it. Finally, we have two issues that relate to our naming conventions assistant. This assistant uses our own rules for naming layers in our documents. And that's the great thing about assistants. With just a little coding knowledge, you can create them with your own set of rules. So if you're part of a design team, for example, you can share one that keeps everyone in sync with the rules you all follow. Right, our assistants are happy, and now we can really dig into Sam's designs. To learn more about assistants, visit sketch.com today.